Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Are you seeing unwanted character suggestions on Character AI app? In this video, I will show you how to avoid this and how to disable recommended characters on the application of Character AI. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. What you have to do first is to go to Character AI app. Then in this first page, you will wait a moment here. As you see here in this page, you will get many suggestion characters, and you will find a lot of characters that you don't want to be suggested for you. So to avoid that, you will click here on the sign of profile as you see, and you will click. Then in this window you will find this sign of settings. You will enter to it here. After that, in this page you will have here app settings notifications. You will click on notifications, and then here in this page you will find recommended characters, and you will click here to turn off from email and to turn off from push notifications. So in that way you cannot be able to receive recommended characters notifications again, as you see here. So that's it. If this video helped you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.